In the next 60 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to awaken all these dormant muscles in your body and to promote circulation in a very gentle way without shocking or straining it. So if you live a sedentary life, save this video, come back to it whenever you're ready to start moving. We're gonna do everything from a seated position. Here we go. We're gonna go from head to toe, literally. We're gonna start off with our neck to loosen it up. Let's gently turn from left to right. Now forward shoulders from a sedentary life is very common. Let's do some reverse rolls to counter it. Now a lot of us have a hard time bringing our hands over our head. If we don't practice it, we will lose that ability. Do some angel wings, but follow your limit. You might not be able to reach too far up. Let's open up our chest and at the same time activate those back muscles. Let's not neglect our rotator cuffs. These are crucial for our shoulders. Don't go lower than parallel to the floor. Move on to our wrists and our hands. If we're always on the phone or the computer, we will definitely lose strength in that area. Now this one is great for our core, our spine, and lower back. Follow your range of motion, do what's comfortable to you. Now here's one for our weak knees. Remember not to extend completely. Now your calves are important too. Simply raise those heels off the floor. Now ankles, we're gonna point our toes up, then straight. We're gonna end with a nice little seated jog. Remember to brace your core and breathe. Do this for as long as you want. This one's for your heart and circulation. I really hope this helps.